Dear Muma, welcome to day 6 of 14 of me sharing some of the mindsets with which I approach motherhood and parenting. Let's go. So today's mindset is every interaction writes a line of code in your child's programming. I'm going to explain. You see how we just do things and we think, oh, I'm just having fun, I'm just laughing. Every time you interact with your child, whether you make fun of them or you make fun of someone else in front of them, whether you talk down on them, talk down at them, or you ridicule their opinion, it is writing a line of code. How you treat them and you treat others in front of them tells them something. When you make empty promises and you say, go do this, I'll do this for you. And when they try to hold you accountable and you say, I changed my mind, what's the big deal? You're telling them something. You might not be telling them verbally, but guess what? Their mind is taking away lessons from every interaction point we as parents have with them. They are learning something or they are unlearning something. And it's not enough to say, oh, I tell them to be people of integrity, or I tell them to be disciplined people, or I tell them to be this, I tell them to be that. If our actions contradict our words, guess which is going to stick? Your actions. Every interaction point, how you relate with them, or how you relate with other people in their presence, teaches them something. Well, even at a passive level, but it goes into their core. That's what builds their point of view, their life's point of view. So this is me urging parents, urging moms and parents in general to be more intentional about your decision points, your choices when you're relating with your children. Because that child is being programmed. Every one of us came here to the world with a plain slate, nothing written on it. The language you speak today is a factor, is an output of the environment you grew up in. Some of the things you've come to believe, whether your religion or your culture, the ways you do things, your culture, your gestures, your reflexes, most of these things, not some, most of these things were programmed by the environment in which you found yourself in your formative days. Parents, the responsibility is on us to program well, to program a product. This is me speaking technology now. To program a product that in the future we can be proud of. Because no line of code is a waste. Every line of code is a building block upon which the next line of code is built. They should align, and those lines of code should look like the final output you are hoping and anticipating for. There is no magic in parenting. Garbage in, garbage out. As you write your code, your product emerges. The next time you're tempted to insult someone where your child is, to gossip about someone where your child is, to tell your child to shut up, to tell your child when they're trying to share an opinion with you, to just shun them, or to just be random. Think about it again and choose to be intentional. Choose of how that interaction would write something in your child's subconscious, and think of what it's going to be writing. Is it the kind of code you would want in your final product? Does it have anything to do with the kind of final product you're hoping to achieve when this programming is done? That's it for today.